Ever wondered how data is extracted from websites for analysis? This is done using web scraping, a method automates data retrieval from websites. This process transforms the gathered raw data into a structured format. This is particularly useful for numerous professionals. For instance, data analysts use this to gain actionable insights, while researchers apply it to collect specific data. Additionally, business experts utilize it to form strategic decisions. Web scraping is a potent tool. Whether you're a data analyst, researcher, or business intelligence professional, web scraping serves as a powerful tool for your toolkit. Web scraping initiates with a familiar activity known as web crawling. Envision a sophisticated spider or bot designed to systematically traverse the vast expanses of the internet. It moves with the purpose of a dedicated librarian, organizing and collecting data. It tirelessly traces links from one page to another, moving through a complex web of information. It's a digital adventurer on a quest to download web pages. This precisely is the fundamental role of a web crawler. Once the web pages are retrieved, we delve into the intriguing realm of parsing HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The purpose of parsing is to dissect the labyrinthine structure of the web page into digestible chunks of valuable information. It is a process that applies a systematic method of analysis, scouring through the intricate sections of the page. The ultimate aim is to identify, locate, and extract specific elements that form the backbone of the web page's aesthetics and functionality. These elements include, but are not limited to, text, images, and links. Several tools and libraries make web scraping more efficient and accessible. Each one has unique features that cater to different needs. Beautiful Soup, for instance, is a Python library designed to extract data from HTML and XML files, offering a versatile and effective solution for various scraping tasks. Selenium, another popular tool, is a web testing library that stands out for its ability to interact with web browsers. It is especially useful for dynamic web pages where data is frequently updated or changed. Scrapy, an open-source web crawling framework for Python, is praised for its ability to handle large, complex scraping tasks. Lastly, Requests, a Python library, simplifies the process of sending HTTP requests, making it a popular choice among developers. Scrapy, an open-source web crawling framework for Python, and Requests, a Python library for sending HTTP requests, are also commonly used. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Web scraping does raise legal and ethical issues. Numerous websites specifically forbid this in their terms of service. It's essential to be aware of this, as ignoring a site's rules could lead to serious consequences. The rules of a website are not merely guidelines, but legally binding contracts between the site and its users. It's always a good idea to review these contracts extensively and respect the rules set by the site. Moreover, web scraping can encounter obstacles such as dynamic content, rate limiting, and IP blocking. Web scraping involves extracting data from websites, but certain complications can arise. Some websites, for example, depend on JavaScript for loading content, which may present challenges for standard web scraping methods. Furthermore, to safeguard against misuse, websites may implement certain restrictions. They might curb the speed of requests or block IP addresses that generate an excessive number of requests in a limited time frame. For instance, websites heavily reliant on JavaScript to load content dynamically may pose difficulties for traditional web scraping. Also, to prevent abuse, websites may limit the rate of requests or block IP addresses that make too many requests in a short period. Adhering to best practices can mitigate some of these challenges. Indeed, it's essential to comprehend the importance of these practices. They not only enable a smoother and more efficient web scraping process, but also ensure that legal and ethical boundaries are respected. One of the fundamental practices is respecting the rules specified in a website's robots.txt file. This is a critical aspect as it helps maintain the integrity of the website being scraped. Another crucial practice is to utilize APIs when they are accessible. APIs provide a more structured and simplified way of extracting data. Lastly, it's also highly recommended to randomize your requests. This helps in avoiding detection by websites while scraping. Randomizing requests are all part of responsible web scraping. Looking ahead, web scraping is set to evolve with advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. As we progress, we can anticipate a future where web scraping harnesses the power of these advancements to ascend to new heights. Machine learning, with its capacity to learn, grow, and adapt, will allow for more nuanced data extraction. Meanwhile, natural language processing, with its ability to interpret human language, could make sense of data in a way previously unimagined. The combination of these two components could redefine the boundaries of web scraping. This could lead to more sophisticated techniques for extracting and understanding information from the web. Web scraping, in summary, is a powerful instrument for pulling data from the internet's colossal reach. Used responsibly and morally, it can unearth valuable insights, streamline tasks, and fuel different applications across diverse fields. So, when you're in awe of a data-centric revelation next time, bear in mind the unassuming web scraper laboring in the background to make everything a reality.